Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today we'll be talking about how you can convert your server to a community server. We'll look at the implications and benefits of enabling the community server feature. Before we begin, let's take a closer look at the implications and benefits of converting your server to a community server. By enabling that feature, you gain access to a wide range of powerful tools that have been designed to help you effectively manage, moderate, and grow your server. And these tools include announcements, channels, direct community updates from Discord, raid protection, server insights, server discovery, and community onboarding. Before we get into how you can convert your server to a community server, let's explain a little bit about what those benefits do. The announcement channels feature is particularly useful for making important server-wide announcements that are easily viewable by all members. It helps to ensure that crucial information reaches everyone in a timely manner. Direct community updates from Discord allows you to stay informed about new features, initiatives, and events happening across the Discord platform. Server Insights provides you with valuable data and statistics about your server's growth, engagement, and member demographics. Server Discovery is a powerful tool that helps you increase the visibility of your server. And when you convert your server to a community server, it becomes eligible to appear in Discord's server directory, making it easier for potential members to discover and join your community. Community onboarding facilitates a smoother and more streamlined joining experience for new members. Get to utilize welcome screens and designated channels to provide essential information, server rules, and guidelines to newcomers. In addition to the benefits we've discussed, enabling the community server feature requires you to meet certain safety and moderation standards that have been set by Discord, and these standards are aimed at creating a safe and welcoming environment for all community members. Among the requirements, you need to have a rules or guidelines channel that communicates your community's expectations and standards, and this helps to set clear boundaries and ensure that everyone is aware of the appropriate behavior within your server. Another requirement is to have a verified email associated with your Discord account, as this helps enhance security and ensures that only legitimate users can access certain features. Lastly, it's important to comply with Discord's community guidelines, as these guidelines provide a framework for ethical and responsible community management, emphasizing respect, inclusivity, and fairness. And there you have it. There are a lot of benefits to converting your server from a friend server to a community server. Now let's get into how you can convert a server to a community server. So we're going to head over to Discord. We're going to select the server we want to convert. We'll click on the server name at the top of the screen, and a pop-up menu is going to appear. We'll go to the settings and we'll scroll down to enable community, after which we'll click on the get started button. There are 3 steps to completing this process. Firstly, you need to ensure that these are toggled on, which I have, so we'll move to the next step. So the second step is to create 2 channels, one for the rules or guidelines and the second one for the community updates. So you could just set it, create one for me, and move to the next step. Ensure everything is toggled on, then agree and understand, and you finish setup. And there you have it. It was that easy to convert your server to a community server. To ensure that you completed all the steps properly, when you go to the channels, you would see that the rules channel and the moderator only channel have been created for us automatically by Discord. And also, when we click on the server name at the top of the screen, we would see that we have been awarded the community server badge. And there you have it. It was that easy, guys, to convert your server to a community server. Really hope this tutorial has provided you with an understanding of the process and benefits of converting your server to a community server. Remember to make the most of the tools available and create an inclusive and engaging community. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more beginner friendly tutorials about all things Discord. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video.